Hello and welcome. On this episode of Abby Normal Garage, we do a Thursday tool overview. Yeah. On this episode of Thursday Tool Overview, we will be doing our DCF 899 brushless 3-speed half-inch impact from Dewalt. We've had this unit for 4 or 5 years, I'd say. We bought it when we were in the field installing cantilever towers in a Home Depot, and it worked really good for that. Now, this is not the most current model, but it does up to 700 foot-pounds of maximum torque and 1,200 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque. This thing is 3 speeds and has a speed selector here. Maximum RPM with no load, and first is 0 through 400, second is 0 through 1,200, and third is 0 through 1,900. It has a maximum capability of 2,400 impacts per minute after you pull the trigger, which is pretty handy when you're working in the dark. The current model is DCF 900B. It has a maximum torque of 1,030 foot-pounds and 1,400 max breakaway torque. So it is a slight improvement on this one, but we don't see a reason to upgrade. We don't work in the field anymore doing cantilevers, so we mostly use this tool in the traveling tool bag in case we have a flat on the highway or whatnot. So other than our traveling toolkit, we use this in the shop for smaller jobs like switching out blades on mowers and stuff like that. For any big job, we would just prefer to use pneumatic. But, you know, that's not taken away from this tool. This is a really good tool. We've had it for 4 or 5 years, and it's done great. You can see it's a little beat up. It's still got some Home Depot orange around it where it got beat up on some cantilever arms. It is a brushless. It does have the direction thing here, like most cordless tools. Circling back to the anvil, we decided to go with the pin type because we had a couple hog ring type impacts where the sockets just fall off, and sometimes it's hard to get the hog rings. The trouble with the pin type is a lot of impact sockets have holes in them, and the pin locks in them, and sometimes it's quite hard to get the socket off this thing. Well, anyway, it's tit for tat. I think we did pretty good getting the pin style. Let's go ahead and burp this thing in first. Switch to second. But yeah. In conclusion, this is our DCF 899 half-inch drive brushless impact. We've had it about 4 to 5 years. It's served us well. We would highly recommend it. Or, if you'd like to purchase the most current model, get the DCF 900. I'm sure it is about the same, if not better than this one. Well, Abby, what do you think? Do you recommend this tool? Still undecided? Oh, she's really digging this one. It might be the treat we put under it, because working with animals sometimes is hard. Don't chew it. Oh, you're trying it out now. Look at that. Abby's even trying it out. Well, Abby, that about wraps up this episode of Thursday Tool Overview. If you know anybody that would find this tool useful, feel free to share the video with them. Like the video if you like to comment. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage. There you go. She got it.